Hello everyone, welcome to Atas Clothing. In this tutorial, I will be showing you a quick and easy way to create this trendy pocket design. If you are a beginner, trust me, this step-by-step guide will help you to achieve a clean, professional look. Now let's get started. Alright, so exactly what going to be doing on this paper is the same thing you should do with your collar stay, your stay, the stay you want to use for your pocket. Okay, now let's assume you are using a stay now. Okay, to measure out the size of your pocket. Now I'm going to be using the edge of this paper like this. So that means from this place upward, I want my pocket length to be 5.5. Then I will mark this place like so. Then my pocket width, I want it 4.5, 4.5. So I'll measure it this way also. And then on this point, I'll still measure my 5.5 so that I'll have a straight line. Okay, this is my 5.5. Then at the down part here also, I would like to measure my 4.5 also. Now I'm going to connect all the points together like so. This is my 5.5 connected, and then the 4.5 like so. Now you can see what I have. This is the width of my pocket. Okay, this is exactly what I want for my pocket. I will cut it out. Cut it out carefully like this. Now this is what you are going to be working on. Now you can go ahead to give your pocket a shape. Okay, to give your pocket a shape. It doesn't matter whatever you want, but I want my own four corner this way. So here is what I'm going to be doing. Now I want to find the midpoint of this paper. So I will fold it into two like this by the length. I'll fold it into two by the length and give it a gator. You can see I'll trace that line out like so. I'll trace out the line. You can see what I have. Then I'll fold it again by the width like so. I'll have a line like this also. Then I'll trace it out straight up like this. Now this is the midpoint. Okay, this is the midpoint. So if I have this now, I'm going to be making at this point now. From here I will go up like half of an inch. Here I'll go up by half of an inch like so. Go away from the midpoint by half of an inch all round. You can see. So on that point now, I will be making, this is what I have there. If you like, you can create that into a box, but there is no need. Now the next thing I want to do is creating, we'll not be using the entire edge. So what will you do? I will mark out half of an inch again from here. From here now, I want to mark, let's say, half inch. I want to mark another half inch at this point. Okay, this is it. So I will create it straight up this way. Now before I do this, before I create this line like this, I will measure what I have here. From here to the center point, I have 1.75. Okay, this is it, 1.75. So I'll measure my 1.75 here also. 1.75. This is it. I'll now cross it at this point. The same 1.75 here. I'll mark it out. You can see. So this is what I'm going to have here. Put my line straight. Then I'll create a box this way. Now I have a square like this. Okay, why I do this is that I do not want it to be a triangular a rectangular shape. I want it a square. Okay, that is what I do here. So this is the first box we have here, right? Then I'm going to create another box across this line also. That is going to be from this line, from here to here. Now this is the line, this is here to here, right? But I'm not going to do exactly here. I'll go up here. Okay, let's do that. I'll go up here by quarter of an inch, that's 0.25. I'll go up here by 0.25, again here by 0.25, all around the box, the square. Okay, this is 0.25 also. You can see now I have the point of 0.25 outside. So I'll now connect them together like so. This point to this point, this point to this point, this to this, you do it carefully, and this to this. Okay, so this is what I have here. This is another box here, so another square box here. So this is it. Now the next thing is this point now, this center line here. I'm going away from that line by quarter of an inch. Okay, by quarter of an inch, like quarter of an inch. I'll go away from that line like that. So now I will do this straight from this point. I'll stop somewhere here. I'll do the same here also to this place. I'll come here again and do the same thing from this to somewhere here. I'll not let it touch this line. Again from this to this, make sure there's gap between them. Then you do the same thing here, the same thing here. You go here, do the same thing, the same thing. Okay, this is what we have now. We are going to be doing it again to this side, right? This is it, the center of this side again. Look at it here. This is the center, this is the midpoint. See, these are the midpoints. These are the midpoints. So by the side of that line, I'm going to be doing another line which will stop exactly on this line. I'll do again by the side, stop here. So I will continue from here. Now look at it from here. Again, I'll stop. I'll move to this point. I'll do the same thing. You can see. And I'll turn it again and run the same thing like this. From here to here. From here to here. I'll move my ruler from here to here. From here to here. You can see what we have now. See everything now. So at this point, I'm going to be using my marker to highlight it, or pen. Then I'll be using a marker. Thanks for watching. I hope this tutorial is helpful. Please do not forget to like, comment and subscribe for more sewing tips and tricks. Let me know in the comment section if there is a design you want me to cover. See you in my next video. Bye for now.